Yo, it's shaking up my belly from inside. I should've stayed, should've lied. I should've prayed, should've tried. But like his mother, I cried when they took the boy's life, cause he's from the wrong side. I know I should've thought twice. Enough the blood from my nights. I lost my friend. So I grew up scared of the night bus. Yeah, scared of the boys who look like us. Trust, no wonder why they wanna fight us. They think the same, give a second and I might bust. Squeeze, buzz cap, spray, say it's a rap. Wish I'd given him a hug and a dab. I wish he could've put my son on his lap and seen life's for the living till we go in the trap. But it's a trap, we live for today, fuck tomorrow. There's no tomorrow if your life's feeling borrowed. We need that money right now, fuck the sorrow. Spend it right now, it's right now, it's feeling the hollow. Don't save for a rainy day, cause every day's great. And tomorrow might never come your way. And yo, I'm just another man up in the straight, checking the hate, telling get from out my way.
The impact of knife crime on individuals is undeniable. And whilst British politicians wish to police away of a knife crime epidemic, it is simply not possible. We must instead focus on the root causes of knife crime: poverty, inequality, austerity, and a lack of opportunity. We must petition the British government to put reason over rhetoric, compassion over indifference, equality over austerity. Our generation must fight for a better future. Through the protesting and the preaching, through the dreaming and through the scheming. But never forget this: as violence claims more young lives all across the world, never has so much been lost by so many because of the indecision of so few.
Make some noise for acting like kids one time, man.